Hi, do you know I attend the best school in Port Harcourt? Yes, come with me and I'll show you my school. My name is Excel and here is my friend Orasiki.
And this is our school. Come with us and let us show you around. Do you have a fab school like ours? We are located at the best part of Port Harcourt in a serene and exclusive part of Trans Amadi. My school is safe and secure. Let's get inside here. I am at my school gate. As you can see, we have enough parking space outside here for all your cars and it's safe.
Over to the security unit. Welcome to Crazel Infant Junior and High School. A school discovered by CCTV cameras, as you can see. Here we have our parent lab, where parents and guests can wait until they get into their main office. And here I am in the main building. I am in the administrative office right now. Admin is so cool and welcoming.
Admin, the staff here are a breed of warm, selfless, intelligent and cooperative personnel. The atmosphere is so welcoming, really cool and cozy. Nice, right? Here is our account department, where all issues of funds are attended to. Just send your references to us virtually. Your comfort is our gain. We have a team of very warm and cheerful members, and they are eager to attend to you always and timely. Now let's go see some classes.
Our classrooms are spacious, comfortable, and also very cool. Now, where do I begin? Okay, let's talk about the facilities in the classroom. Our classrooms are spacious and post-COVID-19 ready and equipped, having very good ventilation. And of course, air conditioning system in place for choice. They are marked out to enable us boys distinguish toilets from girls' toilets. Now, that isn't an easy combat because they are constantly being cleaned and refreshed, as you can see. Comfort and safety while learning are our priority.
Our early years foundation stage classrooms are custom designed to meet the needs of our budding learners. They are fun learning materials to excite the exploring minds of our pupils, and also fun learning materials around our walls.
Aha! And here's my most fun part of the school, the playground. We have the playground for the earliest pupils, and we also have the playground for the older children. And over here, we have a playground for the older children, and it is a field. We can run, we can play football, we can play all kinds of games, tag and all that, and it's so fun. For this reason, I can't wait to get back into school. Now, let me show you something else. Over to the library. Wow, can you see our library? We love to come to the library because we can read all manners of books, and it's so comfortable. We have our science lab and we come here to do science activities.
Okay, next is our ICT Lab. It is another fun place to visit. The ICT Lab is well stocked and equipped with all kinds of systems, and each child has ample space to use them. Next is our music lab. It is also another fun place to visit. The music lab is well stocked and equipped with all kinds of musical instruments like keyboards, violins, drums, saxophones, etc. We have an awesome music teacher that takes us through music.
And over here we have our well-equipped wellness center for the blue days when the chills come and we get red eyes. There is always comfort and support waiting.
Welcome to Crazel High School. This is year 7 and we also have year 8. Hoping to see you soon. Bye.